Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Ourtime account if you have deactivated it or scheduled it for deletion. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have already submitted your account for a deletion request, then while you finalize your delete request, you will be told that you still have some time, about 30 days, before which you can log back into your account in order to sign in. So in the address bar, simply type in ourtime.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ourtime website. Just click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed with logging in to your account. Now, considering that the time duration of 1 month has not already passed, then you will be allowed to reactivate your account by simply using your login credentials. So just type in your email address that you used to sign up for your account, followed by your account password. Finally, click on the sign in button and your account will once again be reactivated on the Ourtime website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reactivate your account on Ourtime dating platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.